everyone, I'm Jorelyn, the team leader of our Arduino project, and I'm excited to introduce the team that made this possible. First, we have Christian, our programmer. He focused on writing the Arduino code to make sure all the parts and functions work properly. Next is Rizel, our analyst, who helped us understand what the project needed and guided us with the right planning and data. Then there's is Yesha and me were the designers of the group. We worked together to build the actual setup, connecting the components, arranging the parts, and making sure everything was working as planned.
Next, Arduino project number 5, the RGB LED. Controls a multicolor LED to produce different colors. It mixes red, green, and blue light using PWM, which is the pulse width modulation on chip pins. This project teaches how to blend colors electronically.
So we have components. First is DFR Arduino board. This is like the brain of your project. Prototyping shield. This is placed on top of the DFR Arduino. Male-to-male jumper wires. These are small wires used to connect parts together. Resistors. This controls the flow of electricity so your LED doesn't burn out. RGB LED 5mm, one LED that can shine red, green, blue, or mix them for more colors. Let's dig to the exciting part.
For today's project, we're going to make an RGB LED setup. Our materials are ready: an Arduino Uno, a breadboard, 220 ohm resistors, a 5mm RGB LED, and 3 jumpers wire. First, we take the Arduino Uno and the breadboard and place the breadboard on top of the Arduino kit for a compact setup. Alright, let's start. So first, I grab the jumper wires and set them aside, right on top of the Arduino kit, next to our Arduino Uno from earlier. Then, I pick up the 220 ohm resistors and place them neatly beside everything. Up next, the star of the show, our 5mm RGB LED. Now, it's time to start assembling. I began by connecting the jumper wires from the Arduino Uno to the breadboard. Next, I added the resistors, our tiny bodyguards for the LED. And finally, I placed the RGB LED right into the breadboard. And tada! Here's our RGB light ready to glow and all as colorful glory. First, we're telling Arduino where each color wire of the RGB LED is connected. Red goes to pin 9, green to pin 10, and blue to pin 11. We're storing them in variables so we can use nice names instead of numbers all over the code. In the setup function, we set all 3 pins as outputs. This means the Arduino will send power to each pin to control how bright each color is. First, we show pure red. We set the red pin to 255, which is full brightness. The green and blue pins are set to 0, so they're completely off. Then we wait 1 second before changing the color. Next, we turn off red, turn green all the way up, and keep blue off. That gives us pure green for 1 second. Finally, we turn off both red and green and set blue to full brightness. That gives us pure blue for 1 second. After this, the loop function starts over and we keep cycling through the three colors forever.